Good morning friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. So today we are here going to learn about new chapter, that is combustion and flame. The chapter number 6. Yes, what is combustion and what is flame? Yes, but before that we need to know what is fuel, है ना? We run bike, truck, car, tractor, all these things are being run. Yes, so how does they work? They work. How does they work? They work on something. They require something to have energy. As we take food, yes, food is our fuel because we get energy from the food. In the same way, fuel is required for the transportations also. Fuel also provides energy, it liberates heat. So bus, truck, car, motorcycle, everyone requires fuel. So in last chapter, in which chapter? Chapter number 5, coal and petroleum, we have studied what coal, petrol, all are what? All these are fuels, right? In the same way, so what we have also seen, okay, diesel, the kerosene, all these are petroleum products. So we can say coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene, all are fuels. But except those, other are also fuels. Yes, say what? Wood, it burns. We cook food on the wood, burning of wood. Yes, coal, it liberates heat. So what? So all are, these are fuel. So what is the difference between the burning of a coal and burning of the burning of coal and burning of petroleum? If you burn the petrol, if you keep the petrol over here and you burn, so what will happen? It will burn with the flame. And if you burn the coal, what will happen? There will be no flame, but the heat, liberation of the heat will be there, right? So in last years, in 7th standard, what we have studied? We have studied the burning of magnesium strip. We have studied the burning of magnesium strip. So what happened in that magnesium strip? So it burned with the flame and we get magnesium oxide. Yes. So we can say fuel. Fuel can be of two types here, that is flammable and non-flammable, that is inflammable fuels. Yes. तो फ्यूल कितने टाइप के हो सकते हैं? एक जो फ्लेम के साथ बर्न होगा और दूसरा जो बिना फ्लेम के बर्न होगा, राइट? सो व्हाट इज दैट? तो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द फ्यूल. तो हमने मैग्नीशियम स्ट्रिप की बात की. तो व्हाट हैपेंड इन दैट मैग्नीशियम स्ट्रिप? इन दैट मैग्नीशियम स्ट्रिप व्हेन वी बर्न, तो इट converted into magnesium oxide. Yes, magnesium strip converted into magnesium oxide. How that happened? Because of the process that was called combustion. क्या बोलेंगे उस process को? Combustion. क्या हुआ था? तो what is actually combustion? A chemical reaction in which the substance react with oxygen to give off heat. Yes. तो combustion क्या है? It is a chemical reaction. We have studied in 7th standard itself the chemical changes and physical changes and chemical reactions also, right? So what was the chemical reaction in which there is formation of new substance? Yes, a new substance formation takes place. So here magnesium, we talk about magnesium strip. So magnesium strip burns and it gives magnesium oxide. So magnesium oxide is a new substance that is formed. Yes. So here the liberation, flame, it burns with the flame. Yes. So it gives off heat. So here also what happens? It reacted. It was a chemical reaction in which it reacted with what? It reacted with the oxygen. Yes, it reacted with the oxygen to give off heat. Yes, so combustion we can define combustion, a chemical reaction in which the substance react with the oxygen to give off heat. Is it clear? Okay, then we will talk about is everything combustible? मीन्स क्या सब कुछ जल सकता है? क्या हर एक चीज का रिएक्शन होगा? इफ आई से वुड, yes it is combustible, it will give off heat, it is burning, yes. But if I say stone, then what will happen with the stone? Will it be able to react with the oxygen and will provide heat? No. Yes. So what happens? Stone is non-combustible. What? Stone is non-combustible substance. So if I say wood, yes it is combustible. Paper, it is combustible. Stone, it is non-combustible. Then if I say iron, what about it? Iron is heated, it transfers heat but it does not burn. If I say this chalk, it is non-combustible, right? तो जो चीज़ क्या होगा, जिसका रिएक्शन होगा किसके साथ? ऑक्सीजन के साथ, और वो हीट प्रोड्यूस करेगा, इट विल प्रोड्यूस हीट, that is only called combustible substance. So the substance which can react with the oxygen and can produce heat, that substance is called combustible substance. And the substance which does not react with the oxygen and is not able to liberate heat, they are non-combustible substance. Is it clear? Yes. So this is all about the basic of this. So what are the requirements of combustion? कोई भी चीज़ हमें कुछ भी होता है, कुछ चाहिए, तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स चाहिए. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे चावल दाल बनाना है, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव चावल दाल इन माई लंच, तो what the basic requirement is? At least I should have rice in my house, I should have pulses, I should have turmeric, I should have salt. These are the basic requirements which is required for making the dal. Yes. So if I want that something is to be combust, कोई भी चीज़ क्या हो, बर्न हो, combustion हो, तो उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए? कुछ basic requirement. So before going to the basic requirement, let me remind you for an experiment which we have already studied in the lower classes. Yes, which experiment? हम घर पे भी करते हैं, कैंडल जलाते हैं. Yes, तो कैंडल क्या होता है? एसिड यहाँ पे रखा कैंडल, तो वो फ्लेम, it will burn with the flame. Yes, but cover that candle with the glass jar. Cover that candle with the glass jar. What will happen? After few minutes the candle will be lit off. Yes, candle क्या हो जाएगा? बुझ जाएगा. But if I put this and then I keep it space and then I cover the candle, so what happens? Here is the space. क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे? Space है, so that air can enter in the jar. Air can enter in the jar. So what will happen? The air will enter in the jar and the candle will not be lit off. Yes, the candle will stay burning. The flame will be there. So what does this explain? कि for burning, for combustion, what is required? Oxygen is the main component required for combustion. So we can say here, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कंबस्शन क्या हो गया? सबसे फर्स्ट वन इज ऑक्सीजन, विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन 6th स्टैंडर्ड के. फॉर कंबस्शन ऑक्सीजन इज रिक्वायर्ड. ऑक्सीजन इज itself non-combustible, but it is a necessary element for combustion, right? That's why what happens when a person catches fire, है ना, पर्सन को किसी को आग लग जाती है, घर में आग लग जाती है, तो what we do, हम पर्सन को what we say, don't run, you have to roll on the ground and we cover the person with the blanket. So why does we do so? Why do we cover the person with the blanket? Yes, because when a person is surrounded with the blanket, the contact of person, yes, contact of the flame with the oxygen present in the environment, with the oxygen present in the environment is cut off. The connection क्या हो जाए, बीच में क्या आ गया, एक लेयर आ गया, किसका लेयर आ गया, ब्लैंकेट का. So the layer which is there between the flame and the oxygen is cut off. क्या हो गया, कनेक्शन कट हो गया. तो क्या हो गया, the flame will not get enough amount of oxygen and then the person will be saved from the fire because the flame will be lit off. Yes, so the first requirement we can say is oxygen. Oxygen is required for combustion. Then if we talk about next, तो अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ये माचिस है, माचिस से यहाँ पे रखी है, तो वो क्या अपने आप जलेगी? No, it will not burn itself. We have to give something. हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा. केरोसिन रखा है बॉटल में, तो वो अपने आप बर्न करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा? Will start? No. Why? Because there is another thing which is required. That is ignition temperature. What is required is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is what? It is the minimum temperature which is required to start combustion. Burning start करने के लिए एक ऐसा temperature जिस पे जब तक वो temperature नहीं मिलेगा तब तक burning start नहीं होगा, right? तो how can we say that? You have coal. एक side ये देखो मैंने क्या रखा? This is a coal and I say this is a paper, right? So what type of practice you have to do to burn the coal and the paper? Will the paper start burning easily? Yes, the paper will start burning easily. You just need to provide little heat and it will start burning. But for the coal, what you will have to do? You have to work hard. You have to provide more heat. Yes, सिर्फ आप माचिस की तीली रख दोगे तो क्या वो बर्न करना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि ignition temperature of coal is more than the ignition temperature of the paper. Yes. So paper required little heat, little temperature. थोड़ा सा उसको टेम्परेचर मिलेगा तो वो क्या करना स्टार्ट कर देगा? It will start burning. Yes. So the and that is why the paper will start burning. So the ignition temperature of coal, petrol, diesel, everyone's ignition temperature is different. They will start burning at different temperature. That is why phosphorus you might have heard, right? When it is not kept in the open surrounding, it is either kept in the water or kerosene. Why? Because its ignition temperature is too low that when it is brought, है ना, उसको बाहर निकालते ही वो क्या होता है? It starts burning. It is highly flammable. तो that is the reason. तो इसीलिए तो second point क्या हो गया? Ignition temperature is required for burning. That is why if I want, okay, if there is a fire in the building, okay, and if I want, okay, fire should be shut off, then how will I shut off the fire? I will call the fire brigade. So what happens with the fire brigade? Fire brigade के पास ऐसा क्या होता है कि हमारे पास नहीं होता है, तो they will do what? They will cut off the contact of oxygen with the fire, either they will cut off the contact of oxygen with the fire, or they will reduce the ignition temperature. ignition temperature को वो क्या करेगा, कम करने की कोशिश करेगा. मतलब क्या हो गया, तो वो क्या करते हैं फायर ब्रिगेड वाले, दे यूज टू स्प्रे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो व्हाट हैपेंस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड will decrease the amount of oxygen, and then there will be the gap in the connection of fire and oxygen. There will be no oxygen, right? So the burning will be stopped, right? So this is what we do, we spray water. तो spray water means the temperature surface temperature जो वो क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. means ignition temperature, whatever is required for burning, it gets lowered. The ignition temperature gets lowered, and then the fire is lit off. Yes, so these are the requirements of burning. Thank you.